ngala di-ads now.
Ngisemkhanyweni ngifumene ikokozi yami ekhanyisayo ngizokhamba nawe konke lapha ngiyakhona bonyana ungikhanyise ikokozi ukhanya ba.
Financial situations making people happy. Look at the food to eat, raising a family. It's a good thing, Jaja bless me.
How's it alive? That's why you think.
Because
That's why you play.
yes,
Period.
I don't understand.
I'm saying
No,
that's
like
why
English,
you
I like
play.
much.
No. I'm just talking about in general.
In
When
general,
you're playing.
I play good music.
Kune broken beat,
Yeah,
kuna
the broken
it
beat.
depends. Ukuthi wena specifically ubuza ngale or yena idlala.
No, in general. Ukuthi udlalani.
No, you can't. It can't be specific because yana ngegroup
Because
yabantu.
ngikhumbula last there's a guy benginaye la Monday last week athena udlala i-deep house vele kuphela.
Awa.
You know,
On the
ukudj kuya ngegroup yabantu. Kunabantu abafuna the deep house, kunabantu abafuna the commercial.
Yeah, he was playing the deep. So I was like,
So the whole week udlale deep house.
I think so, but it was not good.
It shouldn't be like that because mine.
It was not good.
You need
really.
to give them different flavors abantu.
Even kwamina ne bengitsheli la actually bese ngithi ngishayisa start but
No, you need to give them different flavors.
yeah.
Kuba buyisanyane commercial ebazijwayeleko and then Wednesday
Hey.
mhlawumbe babethenge throwback Friday.
That's why I suppose.
Babe uhlala eJozi, uhlala
Sala la.
la ePitori?
You can't even albehanga ngizwa noma ngikhuluma naye.
Kopala volume up.
Ngathi mina ngakhuluma yakhe language, you couldn't even speak his own language.
Baby, hold my waist. Let's do the naughty dance. Let's do the naughty dance. Hey, hey, hey. Let's do the naughty dance. Yeah. Let's do the naughty dance. Let's do the naughty dance, yeah. Everybody get to dance. Honey, don't be shy. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Everybody get to dance. Honey, don't be shy. This one is with me tonight. It's me and the naughty dance. Come on now, do the naughty dance. Do the naughty dance.
All right. It's a mix of spin and then somebody will backtrack it. After you can mix and then you will backtrack.
Let's do the naughty dance. Let's do the naughty dance.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Challenge baby
we are
track
in-
bese.
But faka engwe then we will backtrack then we are moving. Yeah. Yeah.
Mandela ngizwe.
Honey, don't be shy.
Ngaware nokuba ngizwa. Faka backtrack.
Look up.
You.
Let's back track
Yeah.
and
Okay.
Usesena ma 8 or value sa put me 5 minutes.
I don't know why on a backtrack.
Selele 4 minutes.
Yeah.
What's it
It's over enough. It was the other way.
It's on
Yeah, it's up.
Since I got 2.5 minutes.
Why
Can you backtrack?
Popular manje unga.
Popular bulu.
uyathunga?
Everybody get to dance. Honey, don't be shy.
Uyayifaka bese. DJ Mulo kokuma 1 and 2 zimlaleli wekwekwez FM uzoba nawe namhlanje bekuyokuphela iveke le